Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can kick out people in Bigo Live. After you start your live, you can see that people will appear shortly in your live. On the top hand corner, you can see that there are profiles. You can click on it, click on one profile and click on manage, and there is kick out option. If you confirm it, this person will be kicked out. Let me show it to you once again how you can kick out people in Bigo Live. After you click on any profile, you can kick them out. If people are disturbing you in your life, simply click on manage and you can see that there is option of mute, kick out, set as admin and report. If you click on kick out and click on block and prohibit, they will not enter your live. So, I hope the video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.